Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if apps don't open with Cellular data, so not working on Cellular data, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, just open the settings first thing, and after you just need to find mobile data or Cellular data, just tap on it. So first thing you need to check if you turn on here. If you turn off, just turn on here. So after, just scroll down and just check here. You can see mobile data. So this is all the apps that are using mobile data. So just check if you see here this apps that don't want to open. If you disable, just enable Cellular data for this app. So here you can see it, how you can do it. So just like this, just tap here, disable, and now it will work on Cellular data. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.